great to call out our Customer Zero program because we're really proud of it. Actually, we are the first customer in Ivanti. We take every one of our tools that are obviously applicable to IT or SaaS, and we implement them first before the customer, right? To provide the feedback to our product managers, our engineering team, and making sure that that feedback either makes it into the product or eliminates any potential problems that our customers might experience if something, obviously wasn't discovered during our testing. But having said that, we have learned an awful lot about actually moving from on-prem to SaaS. If you look at what we've done with Customer Zero, our focus now has been to take a look at the Ivanti on-prem products and move ourselves to the cloud. Okay, obviously I manage SaaS, so I'm very biased towards being in the cloud, and that is our focus right now. So we've taken Patch, we've moved that from on-prem to cloud, right? We now have taken our ITSM converged product, right, with workflow management, with all of low-code, no-code. We moved that into IT for ITSM, right? We have our own CMDB that we're running against Discovery, right? Going out to our data centers. We have, close to 40 different geos globally that we manage, thousands and thousands of assets across all those data centers. Those are all being discovered, placed in our own CMDB, and managed. We're now deploying GRC for our compliance, which, we were like a lot of, companies that struggled through our SOC 2s, SOC 2 Type 2, where artifacts are put into certain repositories. We manage those assets. Now we have GRC, where all those artifacts get managed through ITSM. They're linked to the proper controls. It makes the audit process so much simpler, so much easier for us to get through every year for compliance. So we're learning that through the efficiency of moving to cloud from on-prem to SaaS, we're learning those efficiencies do save us time, have a great ROI in terms of the OpEx, CapEx equation. If most of you CIOs that go through that, there is a big advantage on the CapEx, OpEx side. And then just having all of our data in the cloud, in ITSM, as I said earlier, becoming a single source of truth for patch, discovery, risk sense, vulnerabilities, right? And obviously, the main focus, all the tickets that are created on the customer-facing side, giving us insight into the customer, into what they're using or what they're not using. So really, adoption, big part of obviously what you need in SaaS to manage, the real true user experience. So it really has been eye-opening, moving all of our products from on-prem to SaaS, leveraging those SaaS products in our own cloud, gaining that experience, pushing it back to product managers, pushing it back to engineering to produce a better quality product and a better service for all of our customers as they migrate to the cloud. So we kind of blunt any particular problems, obviously, that our customers would have experienced when they move from on-prem to cloud. So really, Customer Zero, it's definitely eliminating a lot of issues that customers would have had if they move on-prem to SaaS, and we're providing valuable telemetry to help improve our product and improve the quality and service to our customers.